In today's video, we are going to cover how to view invoice payment history in Wave. If you are already logged into Wave, begin by making sure the correct business is selected before you move anywhere else. This matters if your account includes more than one business, because the customer records and invoice history you see will depend on that selection. Once you have confirmed that, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. This opens the area where customer activity and invoice records are managed. From there, click Customers to open your customer list. In the customer list, find the customer whose invoice payment history you want to review. If you have many customers, take a moment to identify the correct one before opening the profile. When you have the right customer, click the customer's name. That will open the customer profile page. At the top of the customer profile, click the Invoices tab. This section shows the invoices connected to that customer all in one place. As you review the list, you will be able to see key details for each invoice, including the status, invoice number, invoice date, total amount, and remaining balance. These details help you identify which invoice has been paid and which one still has an outstanding amount. Now locate the invoice marked paid that you want to inspect more closely. This is the invoice whose payment history you are looking for. When you find it, click View beside that invoice to open the full invoice details. Inside the invoice, review the details shown on the page. You are looking for the recorded payment information associated with that invoice. This area lets you confirm that a payment was applied and gives you the payment entry tied to that specific invoice. If you are checking a past transaction, this is the part of the record that connects the paid invoice to the payment that was recorded in Wave. Move through the invoice details carefully so you do not confuse invoice information with the payment record itself. The invoice view combines those details in one place, so it is useful to check both the invoice summary and the payment information before you leave the page. That is the full path for viewing invoice payment history for a customer in Wave, starting from the business selection, then opening sales and payments, going into customers, selecting the customer profile, opening the invoices tab, and viewing the paid invoice details. Thanks for watching. You have now viewed the payment history associated with a paid invoice in Wave.